Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Gloria for being the first in the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some clip-ins from HerGivenHair. But first, we just wanted to talk about my braid out. Guys, I finally took those cornrows that I had out, and this is what they looked like. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, back to the video. We're going to be trying out some clip-ins from HerGivenHair. So in the parcel that I got, it came with this satin bag, and in the satin bag was the hair and some instruction manuals. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the bag, and obviously the hair is very crinkle cut, so it's not looking like my actual hair texture. And I'll say the hair color matches my hair color perfectly. This color is color number 1B, and the hair is 18 inches. So obviously we know the first thing that we're going to be doing is washing the hair. Whenever you get hair, whether it be clip-ins, a wig, whatever it is, it's important for you to wash the hair so you can remove any chemicals or resins that are on the hair for processing. After I did that, I went and dried the hair with a microfiber towel, and then I hung the hair up to dry. Once I'd hung the hair up, I went through and did a leave-in conditioner through the hair just to make sure I replenished some moisture and that it looks nice and moisturized instead of dry and brittle. After I did that, I brushed the hair out a little bit, and then I left the hair out to air dry for a few hours. Once the hair had air dried, this is what the hair was looking like. So I went back through and combed the hair with a wide tooth comb and then my tangle teaser again, just to make sure it has the same texture as mine. And once the hair was ready, I started parting my hair. So I went through first and I spritzed my hair so that it was a little bit damp. It's really important that when you're doing this, especially with dry hair, that you make sure that your hair is a little bit damp so that you don't cause any damage. Then I went and put the clip-ins going from the most clips to the least. So I went first with the 5 clips, then I went with the 4 clips, then I went with the 3 clips, then I went with the 2 clips. Making sure that I blend each section in nicely. After I'd done that, I went through and brushed the hair out a little bit, just slightly with the pick side of my comb so that it could all blend in a little bit better. And this is what the hair ends up looking like. To be honest, I was feeling myself a little bit too much here. The hair looks exactly like my hair. Then I went through and tried something new. I've seen this going around a little bit, but with a more sort of curlier style to it. So the hair would have obviously been curl rod set, but I wanted to try it out with, natural hair, which is like this afro fringe. And this is what it ended up looking like. I kind of like it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. You tell me. After I did that, I went and separated the middle crown section of my hair, just the top. And then I got a large scrunchie, and then I put the scrunchie on my head so that I could move it all the way back so I could sort of do a low ponytail. I brushed it out and smoothed it out with my hair so that it could all blend in a little bit better. And this is what it ended up looking like. Very blended. You can't even tell where my hair starts and where my hair ends. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Comment down below your thoughts, whether you like the hairstyles, whether you try any of these out, and like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.